Kansas, a state defined by its horizons, where the sea of grass meets the breadbasket of the world. This is not just a landscape of production. It is a critical ecosystem where a tiny bird's dance signals the health of the entire planet, and a single grain ensures global stability. Stretching across the Flint Hills, golden wheat fields ripple in the wind, merging seamlessly with vibrant green native tallgrass prairie. These two worlds exist side by side, each dependent on the other, each telling a story of resilience, purpose, and extraordinary natural power. This is the vibrant partnership between Kansas wildlife and agriculture, and it is one of the most important relationships on Earth. When the chicken booms, the entire landscape speaks. A male lesser prairie chicken takes center stage on a lek, a traditional breeding ground worn smooth by generations of dancing feet. He inflates his vivid red neck sacs, snaps his tail feathers upward, and releases a deep, resonant booming call that rolls across the open grassland like a drumbeat from the earth itself. This is not merely a courtship display. This is nature's own report card. The lesser prairie chicken is what scientists call a biological indicator species. These birds are highly specialized survivalists, and they will only thrive in vast, unbroken expanses of diverse native grassland. They cannot survive in fragmented, low-diversity landscapes. Their presence is the ultimate confirmation that the ecosystem beneath them is fully functioning, storing carbon deep within ancient root systems, filtering water through layered soils, and supporting the pollinators that sustain surrounding plant life. When you compare a healthy, diverse prairie teeming with these birds to a fragmented, degraded grassland stripped of their presence, the difference is stark and sobering. When hunger is addressed, communities can grow, but the foundational security upon which entire societies are built. And the significance of that title extends far beyond state borders. As three modern combines move in perfect unison across an endless golden field, each pass of their blades harvests something far greater than a commodity. They are harvesting stability. Look closely at a single wheat kernel under magnification, and you will find an intricate architecture of starch, protein, and energy, a tiny capsule engineered by nature to sustain human life. The future of Kansas is a balanced one, and that balance is already being written in the soil. Conservation agriculture practices like no-till farming allow farmers to plant wheat directly into last year's stubble, protecting the topsoil from erosion, reducing chemical runoff, and preserving the moisture that both crops and prairie ecosystems depend upon. Right alongside these fields, protected prairie patches provide nesting grounds where prairie chickens continue their ancient rituals undisturbed. This is not a compromise. This is a blueprint. High-yield farming and critical wildlife habitat are not opponents in this landscape. They are partners, each strengthening the other, each ensuring that the land remains productive and alive for generations to come. From the dawn booming of the bird to the golden harvest of the grain, Kansas is a land of profound connection. It is the heart of the prairie, the primary breadbasket of the world, and a quiet guardian of our global future. The sunflower state continues to nourish the world while booming for the wild, proving that when we protect the land protects us all.